So we're going to do a really simple little blog kind of website, just to give you some indications of how kind of all this kind of stuff works. So I've added another link into the navbar. So how have I done this? So let's go back to the code and go to my main template. You'll notice that what I've done is I've added an additional link here, okay? And I've called this URL blog page. Okay, and obviously just got the text of blogs. Now, in order to add a new page, there's three things I need to do. One is actually put in the menu, so I'm going to actually click on it. Makes sense. Second, I need a root. So here I've got my roots blog page, and I've kind of attached it to the URL/blog. I'll explain what this code is here in a moment. And then the third thing is I need an actual blog web page, okay? And this blog web page, I simply just took my home page, saved it. Well, I took my second page actually, and just saved it again. So I'm actually going to just put blogs here, and I'm just going to get rid of this paragraph tag for now. And that's how we've got to this point, okay? So I've got my blogs here, and now I can click between them. So it's a really quick and easy way of adding a new page. Now, if we look at the actual Python code now, okay, you'll notice that I've added some additional stuff that wasn't there in the other ones. So here I've got blog 1, and this is one of the blogs that I want to display, okay? Now, I've chosen two things to describe a blog: the contents of the thing you actually see in the blog page itself, and the title. Now, obviously, I'm keeping this really short because I don't particularly want to have to type loads of stuff out. Now, normally this would probably come from a database, but let's pretend we're just going to do it this way. Just make it easier. And I have the same for blog 2. So I've got two blog entries, and they're used in Python dictionaries. Okay. Now, Python dictionaries and Flask go hand in hand quite a lot. And then I've created a list, and I've just put those two blogs into the list. And then when I've rendered the template, I've passed through as a variable these blogs. So they're now going to be available as the template is being generated, okay? Which is really important because that's how we're actually going to make the blogs appear on the screen in the case. Okay, so that's how you set up. Add this root in your Python file. Create a new page called blog summary, which is simply just saving one of your other pages and just tweaking it slightly. And finally, in the main template, you are going to add this new link.